Okay, so this is for the meat we're preparing. Foil inside. This is my ground beef. And we're only gonna do this for a few minutes. And you can mix it like this. You get a spoon. Wooden spoon, I'll get a spoon. I like to work with the two wooden spoons. And kind of just separate it. Then mix it until it's done, and I'll show you the end when it's done. I won't keep you on for long, but I'll come back. Okay, so this is almost done. See how brown it is? Okay, so I'm gonna shut this fire off. And while that was cooking, I chopped some onions, 2 pieces. And you can add it here together. Seasoned pepper. Pepper and vegeta only, but you can do salt. But not a lot, because remember, you already add the salt into the flour. So, just as much as you like. And then mix it together like this. And let it cool just a tiny bit. And I'll show you why in the next one. Now we're gonna stretch this dough. Hopefully it's gonna stretch really nice because it was sitting for a little bit. Pull it softly underneath. Again, not with your nails, but with the soft fingers. And just go around little by little. I had to sneeze, but I went all the way on the other side of the house. Okay, so again, pull it like this, see? It's stretching really nice. See, it broke just a tiny bit, but that is just fine. You can always put and like go over this one. All right, now we're gonna bring the meat. We got the meat, and it might be hot. So if it's hot for you, you take a spoon and put it on the corners. I hope you can hear me. We're gonna do this other side. It is a little hot. The meat is hot. Oh, but it's okay. But if you don't also want it to constantly wash your hands, then you can of course use the spoon. I'm gonna leave the meat on the corner here. Now you take the bottom ones and put over this, like that. Stretch a little bit and then put, then take this and go like that. And now you can use your hands like this. Like half of this. Okay. Then we go on the other one. Now we're gonna cut it. I got the pen, big one. I'm gonna put it right here. Cut the middle part. Cut the corners. See how much left on that on the side. See now, look. Now, if they're too thick, you can go like that, but mine are thin enough, so I'm not gonna. So put oil in here. Spread it throughout the whole one. Now make circles. You can make this two ways. You can make circles like this, just like a snake, or the small circles, and I'm gonna make small circles. You make circle enough and then you cut. I'll show you closer. Gonna come closer. This is so far. Okay, so we're gonna do the other one same way. Make sure to pick up all the meat from the table for the next one. Now we're gonna put oil, just a little bit on top of that, on each. So I got 2 pins. I'm gonna put that in the oven and I'm gonna show you baking process.